Let us now understand the process of recombinant DNA technology. We people have understood tools of recombinant DNA technology. Now the understanding of process becomes much easier. Okay, the process involves total 6 steps as I have written. Point number 1 says isolation of genetic material. Genetic material in the sense we are talking about, of course, DNA. Okay. Second step is cutting of DNA at specific location. For this, which tool we are going to use? Yes, that is our restriction endonucleases. Step number 3 is very much important, जिसको आप बोलो amplification of gene of interest. Amplification का मतलब होता है to make multiple copies of gene of interest in vitro, in laboratory. Okay, then comes your insertion of recombinant DNA into host cell. This process is called as your transformation. Then ये process हमने क्यों किया? To obtain foreign gene product. So fifth step says obtaining the foreign gene product, and finally is your downstreaming process. So these 6 steps we have to understand in detail while going for process of recombinant DNA technology. So we are starting with very first one, that is isolation of genetic material. If you are talking about genetic material, right, then that is our nucleic acid. Nucleic acid in the sense we are talking about your DNAs as well as your RNAs. Most probably in organism there is presence of DNA as genetic material. Okay, so here we are focusing on isolation of DNA, that is genetic material, that is your nucleic acid. Now for the process of recombinant DNA technology, one should get this DNA in pure form, free from all other macromolecules which are present in cell. If we are talking about macromolecules present in cell, right, then there will be presence of carbohydrate, proteins, lipids as well as RNAs. तो ये सारे के सारे क्या हुए? Macromolecules. Of this we require DNA in pure form, and we very well know that you people have understood the structure of cell. ये आपका cell होता है, right? The cell is made up of, you very well know that if you are talking about plant cell, then plant cell have cell wall. If you are talking about animal cells, then they do not have cell wall. Okay, so ये आपका cell से for example plant cell, तो ये draw करी मैंने cell wall. Then comes your cell membrane, that is called as your plasma membrane. उसके अंदर क्या हो? Cytoplasm, nuclear envelope, and यहाँ पे होता है आपका genetic material, that is your DNA. तो सबसे पहला काम what do you have to do? सबसे पहला काम आपको ये सेल ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा. ओके, द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप टू ऑब्टेन दिस डीएनए, you need to open up the cell, you need to break the cell, and इसके लिए मैंने आपको बोला है we are having lysing enzyme. कौन सी एंजाइम प्रेजेंट होती है? लाइसिंग एंजाइम. से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ ये सेल बैक्टीरियल सेल है, the bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, right? We people have understood this in eubacteria. So for bacterial cell, to open a bacterial cell, we are going to use an enzyme called as your lysozyme. अगर ये cell plant cell है, right, then cell wall of plant is made up of cellulose. So we are going to use a lysing enzyme called as cellulase. Similarly, अगर आपको जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फंगल सेल में से निकालना है, then fungal cell is made up of chitin, right? So here you are going to use an enzyme called as chitinase. So once either using of this lysing enzyme you open up the cell, then you are having flood of macromolecules, like you are having your RNAs, DNAs, proteins, carbohydrates and lipids. इसमें से हमको क्या चाहिए? Only DNA we want, that too in pure form. Simple as that. What we are going to do one by one, we are going to digest all other macromolecules एक्सेप्शनल विथ योर डीएनए. डीएनए को हम डाइजेस्ट नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि वो तो हमको चाहिए, राइट? सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज देयर, you are going to add an enzyme called as carbohydrase. By using of this carbohydrase, your carbohydrate will be digested. Similarly, lipid के लिए lipase, protein को digest करने के लिए protease, and RNA को digest करने के लिए we are having your ribonuclease. So upon addition of suitable enzyme, we are going to digest all other macromolecule except your DNA. Once the procedure is done, you people are going to add chilled ethanol. After digestion of all other macromolecule, आपको डालना है chilled ethanol. Once you add chilled ethanol, your DNA precipitates out. आपका DNA it precipitates, and these DNAs are visible as a thin thread in suspension. As a thin thread in suspension. So मैंने जो आपको बोला, that is what I have written over here. Your DNA along with macromolecule like protein, carbohydrate, RNA, lipid. First you need to break up the cell to release DNA along with other macromolecule. Similarly, bacterial cell है तो lysozyme, fungal cell chitinase, plant cell cellulase. मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल से फॉर एग्जांपल आरएनए को डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए राइबोन्यूक्लियस, प्रोटीन को प्रोटीएज, सिमिलरली लिपिड को लाइपेज, कार्बोहाइड्रेट को कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. देन यू पीपल आर गोइंग टू ऐड चिल्ड इथेनॉल. Your DNA precipitate out and it will be visible as a fine thread in suspension. So from here you can easily isolate your DNA. तो ये हो गया आपका first step in our process. Let us now understand the second step that comes in your process, that is cutting of DNA at specific location. Now we have isolated DNA in purified form, right? So what will be our next step? To obtain gene of our interest, that is particular sequence of base pair from your DNA. For this, we people very well know that we are using an enzyme called as restriction endonucleases. This restriction endonucleases, right, recognize specific sequence, जिसको आप क्या बोलो, recognition site, right, that to palindromic sequence. Palindromic sequence in the sense what, which read same backward and forward. Okay, so these are the palindromic sequences which are recognized by different restriction endonucleases. This we have already discussed in detail. So what you have to do, you have to do restriction enzyme digestion. This is performed simply by incubating our purified DNA molecule with restriction enzyme. So in a test tube we have to add our DNA which we have isolated. उसके अंदर आपको क्या डालना है, restriction enzyme, that is your restriction endonuclease, and you have to incubate the same for some time. This results in making fragments of our DNA. Now these fragments can be separated by a technique called as gel electrophoresis, which we have already discussed. To be more specific, medium क्या use करा है हमने, agarose, yes or no? So it is called as agarose gel electrophoresis. This technique is employed for what? For separating your DNA, right? This is mainly based on principle that since DNA is negatively charged under electric field, it moves towards positive electron, that is our anode. Simple as that. Same process we have to repeat for our vector DNA also. Again we are using the same restriction endonuclease to make cut in DNAs of our vector DNA, and similarly this vector DNA, the fragments of this can be separated by agarose gel electrophoresis. Okay, then what we have to do, our gene of interest, plus your vector DNA. Vector DNA in the sense we are talking about, say for example, plasmid, okay, which act as your carrier. These two are joined by means of an enzyme called as DNA ligase, which results in formation of our recombinant DNA. Okay, so at the end of this process you will get gene of interest, right? Of course, by performing agarose gel electrophoresis, same technique we have to use for vector DNA also. Then through series of steps, through series of reaction, by using DNA ligase, we are joining these two. That creates our recombinant DNA. Let us now discuss the third step that involves in process, that is called as amplification of gene of interest by using a technique called as PCR. What is the full form of PCR? PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction, and the meaning of amplification is to make multiple copies, or you can say duplication of DNA. So here we are going to discuss to make multiple copies of gene of interest using polymerase chain reaction. So let us first discuss the need, the requirements, right, which is for your PCR. PCR करने के लिए we require total 4 things. Number 1 is your target DNA, जिसका आपको एम्प्लीफिकेशन करवाना है वो, ओके, जिसकी आपको मल्टीपल कॉपीज बनानी है वो, दैट इज योर टारगेट डीएनए. से फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज योर टारगेट डीएनए, मतलब दिस इज अवर जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है. सेकेंड विच यू रिक्वायर इज योर प्राइमर. 2 primer we require. Now what is this primer? These primers are nothing but oligonucleotide. These primers are nothing but oligonucleotide, right, which contains 17 to 30 nucleotides. Say for example, if I want to draw oligonucleotide, तो ये आपका क्या है? Oligonucleotide, right, which contains how many nucleotide? ये टोटल रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 17 to 30 न्यूक्लियोटाइड. तो ये हो गया आपका प्राइमर. कितने प्राइमर चाहिए हमको? वी रिक्वायर 2 प्राइमर. ओके. देन वी रिक्वायर अवर deoxyribonucleotides. We people have understood this, right? Deoxyribonucleotide, that is we require ATCG, adenine, थाइमीन, साइटोसिन एंड ग्वानिन. ओके. एंड लास्टली हमको चाहिए डीएनए पॉलीमरेज, राइट. दिस डीएनए पॉलीमरेज withstand temperature up to 95 degree Celsius. So this DNA polymerase we are isolating from a thermolabile bacteria. Thermophilic bacteria आप बोल सकते हो. Thermophilic bacteria in the sense we are talking about your Thermus aquaticus, who can withstand high temperature, right? So this DNA polymerase we have isolated from thermophilic bacteria, that is your Thermus aquaticus. So इसको आप Taq polymerase भी बोल सकते हो. T stands for your Thermus and AQ stands for your aquaticus. So this 4 are the requirement. Number 1 is your DNA template, okay, or you can say it as your target DNA. Then you require primer. Then you require 4 deoxyribonucleotide and you require DNA polymerase. Now, this polymerase chain reaction involves total 3 steps: denaturation, annealing and extension. Now let us start with the step that is called as your denaturation. What you have to do, you in a reaction mixture, आपका present होगा target DNA. Temperature you are going to give of about 95 degrees Celsius for about 1 minute. What happens? The hydrogen bond, we very well know that ATCG के बीच में hydrogen bonds present होते हैं. And these hydrogen bonds are weak in nature, right? So by increasing temperature we are breaking bonds between these base pairs. रिजल्टिंग इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 2 DNA स्ट्रैंड्स, जिसको आप टेम्पलेट DNA स्ट्रैंड भी बोल सकते हो. As you can see over here, first step, this is our target DNA and this portion represents your, क्या represent करता है बेटा जी? आपका हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. एंड these are your base pairs. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे A हो तो सामने क्या होगा? T. यहाँ पे C हो तो सामने क्या होगा? G. We very well know the number of bonds which are present between AT and CG. Okay, so these are your complementary base pair. Okay, this is for your understanding. So this is your target DNA having hydrogen bond. You are going to apply temperature of about 95 degrees Celsius for 1 minute. What happens? The hydrogen bond between this breaks, resulting in formation of 2 separate strands, and these separate strands are called as template DNA. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? टेम्पलेट DNA. तो ये हो गया आपका फर्स्ट स्टेप, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर डीनेचरेशन. ओके, you very well know that 5 prime and 3 prime and complementary to this 5 prime and 3 prime, and both strands are anti-parallel. We people have understood the structure of DNA in class 11. Okay, so this is your first step, that is called as your denaturation. Second step comes your annealing. To anneal का मतलब होता है to join. क्या join करना है? Our primer. We have to join primer. How come you are going to add this? Okay, यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर कितना है? 95 डिग्री सेल्सियस. धीरे धीरे as temperature decreases, as temperature of mixture is slowly cooled at about 55 degree Celsius, the primer, आपका जो प्राइमर है which is your oligonucleotide, it forms pair with complementary region of target DNA. Okay, say for example यहाँ पे आपका C है. ओके, तो ये प्राइमर पे क्या होगा बेटा जी? G. यहाँ पे C है तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? G. Simple as that. तो if you reducing the temperature by 55 degree Celsius, from 95 to 55 degree Celsius, what happens? आपका जो प्राइमर है, it forms, it pairs up. Okay, it forms hydrogen bond with complementary base pairs present on template DNA. Am I clear? So ये प्रोसेस को कहा जाता है annealing. So what I have written, as temperature of mixture is slowly cooled at about 55 degrees Celsius, the primer base pairs with complementary region on target DNA. Am I clear? Okay. Now, third step comes your extension. This is done by our enzyme called as DNA polymerase, which we have isolated from thermophilic bacteria called as Thermus aquaticus, जिसको आप बोलो tech polymerase. And to a reaction mixture there is presence of deoxynucleotide, जैसे कि आपके ATCG, adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. Okay, now what happens once you add DNA polymerase? Once you add DNA polymerase one by one, right, this DNA polymerase takes up nucleotide from reaction mixture and anneal to the complementary one which is present on target DNA. Am I clear? Say for example यहाँ पे A है, ठीक है, तो DNA polymerase मीडियम में से क्या उठाएगा? कौन सा डीऑक्सी न्यूक्लियोटाइड उठाएगा? That is your T, that is your thymine, right? And it starts to join over here. Am I clear? So यहाँ पे क्या आया बेटा जी? आपका T. Similarly यहाँ पे T है. Okay, तो this DNA polymerase मीडियम में से क्या उठाएगा? A and forms hydrogen bond between two. Am I clear? This is how your strand is extended, as you can see over here. Most important thing जो आपको याद रखनी है वो ये है कि DNA polymerase, this is an enzyme, which is very important. This can works in only 5' to 3' direction. कौन सी डायरेक्शन में ये काम करती है? दिस बॉक्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट वर्क्स इन 5' to 3' direction. Okay, so here if you are talking about this, ये 5' एंड है, ये 3' एंड है, तो यहाँ पे चेन ऐसे ग्रो होगी. ऑपोजिट टू दिस, ये 5' एंड, ये 3' एंड, राइट. सो चेन इस तरफ से ग्रो होगी. एम आई क्लियर? सो यहाँ पे मैंने एरो बनाया है. योर कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी, दैट इज योर ब्लू कलर वन, goes towards 5' to 3'. Similarly, यहाँ पे 5' to 3'. Am I clear? Why it is so? क्योंकि DNA polymerase की एक्शन कैसी है? From 5' to 3'. So this is your 3 steps. Okay, denaturation, annealing, and extension. Annealing is also called as renaturation. It is also called as renaturation. Okay, so at the end of one cycle, you people are going to get, एक के कितने मिले यहाँ पे? 2, right? So if you are going to repeat this cycle up to 30 times, if you are going to repeat this process up to 30 cycles, you will get 1 billion copies of our gene of interest. एक से शुरू किया, आपको कितने मिले? 1 billion copies. So this is your polymerase chain reaction. Very simple and easy way to make multiple copies of gene of interest. Let me recall it once. आपने क्या किया? सबसे पहले denaturation, in the sense hydrogen bond टूटे, followed by which annealing, you have added, right, your primer, followed by which extension, which occurs by means of an enzyme called as DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase medium में से nucleotide उठाएगा and what it will do? It makes base pair with the complementary one. Simple as that. Okay, so this is the process of your polymerase chain reaction. I hope you people understood well. Thank you.